To connect KS Treadmill with your phone and the app, first of all, you will need to make sure that your treadmill is properly connected with the power and that it's on. There's also this switch right here. When it's glowing like this, that means it's ready for the pairing. I've pre-recorded videos since my treadmill is downstairs, not where my setup is, so it's much easier to show you that way. Now, when your treadmill is actually powered on and in pairing mode, it enters it automatically by default. You can start pairing process by downloading the KS app, which I'm showing you right now. Open Google Play Store and look for KS Fit. If you've downloaded KS Fit, you'll be able to launch it. And then you also need to log in or register your account to continue. So in this case, I have account already, and we can click on add device to begin the setup. Make sure that you're close to your treadmill and you have Bluetooth powered on. After that, you should see your treadmill on the list and you can click on connect. That way you'll be able to connect your treadmill with your phone and you can begin using it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.